Did you know a tiny electrical signal makes your muscles move? It's true. Electrolytes like sodium and potassium carry these signals throughout your body. Without enough electrolytes, your muscles can't function properly. This can lead to weakness, cramps, and fatigue. That's why maintaining electrolyte balance is crucial, not just for athletes, but for everyone. Electrolytes are essential minerals that play a vital role in many bodily functions. They help regulate fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Water is life. We all know this. But did you know that staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance? When you're dehydrated, your body loses electrolytes along with fluids. This disrupts the delicate balance within your body. Dehydration can lead to various health problems, from mild fatigue to heat stroke. Symptoms of dehydration include thirst, dry mouth, headache, dizziness, and dark urine. Severe cases can be life-threatening. Several factors can contribute to electrolyte imbalance. Intense exercise, especially in hot weather, can deplete electrolytes through sweat. Illnesses like vomiting and diarrhea can also lead to significant fluid and electrolyte loss. Certain medications, like diuretics, can also affect electrolyte levels. It's important to talk to your doctor about any potential side effects of medications. All right, let's dive into understanding electrolytes and their roles in our body. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and are vital for many bodily functions. They help regulate nerve and muscle function, hydrate the body, balance blood acidity and pressure, and help rebuild damaged tissues. There are several key electrolytes that your body needs. These include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and chloride. Each of these plays a unique and essential role in maintaining your health. Sodium regulates fluid balance and nerve function. It helps control blood pressure and volume, and is essential for muscle and nerve function. Potassium is crucial for muscle contractions and heart health. It helps maintain normal fluid balance, supports proper nerve function, and is vital for muscle contractions, including those of the heart. Calcium supports bone health and plays a role in muscle function and nerve transmission. It is also important for blood clotting and maintaining a regular heartbeat. Magnesium is involved in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function. It helps convert food into energy, supports the immune system, and keeps the heartbeat steady. Chloride works with sodium to maintain fluid balance. It also helps keep the proper balance of body fluids and is an essential component of digestive juices. Now, the signs of an imbalance can be subtle. You might experience symptoms like muscle cramps, fatigue, or even more severe issues like an irregular heartbeat. Muscle cramps, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat can all be indicators of an electrolyte imbalance. It's important to pay attention to these signs and take action if needed. If you experience persistent symptoms, it's important to consult your doctor. They can help determine if an electrolyte imbalance is the cause and recommend appropriate treatment or dietary changes. So, the good news is that maintaining electrolyte balance is achievable. It's not as complicated as it might seem at first glance. First and foremost, drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Water is best, but you can also opt for low-sugar sports drinks when necessary. Staying hydrated is key to keeping your electrolytes in check. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods naturally contain electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Consider electrolyte-rich snacks like bananas, avocados, and nuts. These not only help maintain your electrolyte levels, but also provide essential nutrients and energy. In some cases, electrolyte supplements may be necessary, especially after intense workouts or during illness. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the best approach for you. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and health conditions. Remember, balance is key, and with the right guidance, you can easily maintain your electrolyte levels and overall well-being. Maintaining electrolyte balance is vital for overall health and well-being. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and are essential for many bodily functions. They help regulate nerve and muscle function, hydrate the body, balance blood acidity and pressure, and help rebuild damaged tissue. It impacts everything from your energy levels to your heart health. When your electrolytes are balanced, your body can perform at its peak. This means better workouts, improved concentration, and a more stable mood. By staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and being mindful of potential causes of imbalance, you can keep your body functioning at its best. Remember, knowledge is power. Simple steps like drinking enough water, eating fruits and vegetables, and avoiding excessive salt can make a big difference. Share these tips with your loved ones and help them prioritize their health. Encourage them to make small, sustainable changes that can lead to big improvements over time. Stay tuned for more health and wellness advice. We'll cover topics like stress management, exercise routines, and nutritious recipes to help you live a balanced life. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on living your best life. Together, we can achieve a healthier, happier lifestyle.